Hello guys, how are you? Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get rid of this blue screen errors and other opening problems in your PC. Okay, you just need a image window for that. Okay, for that image window, you just go to start menu and just type here backup and restore. Yes, we got us backup and restore. Okay, how these types of all files, create a system image. Yes, I already have a lot of images in my system. Okay, it doesn't take too much time. It's taking time because I already done that. Okay, I can do that. Drives and drives same here. Okay, my drive is already back up, so I don't need to back up it again. Okay, you just click here next and select your drive system, C or system, anything whatever you want, D or C or E, anything. Okay, and just press here next and you press this startup option here, start backup up option here to complete your backup. And after that, okay, I already done that, so I'm not doing it again. So okay, after completing your backup, it's done, everything is done. There will be no problem to your system, as when you get a black screen error, you just go and you just turn off your system directly and you just on it again. And when you on that, it gives you option, it shows the option that press escape to go to the menu bar. Okay, when you press escape, then it will goes to some recovery or tools. In that recovery tools, the third one will be system image recovery. In that, you just press that system image recovery, and whatever your files before you have will all come to the new image, and your system will be back to you again. Doesn't take too much of time, and it's very simple. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if it was done with your system.